All right, now that you've got boards downloaded, let me show you a quick video on how to use it. So you want to be sure that you set up an account, it's free, using your email, and you're going to be able to create your own personal board. So call it whatever you want up there. And then you can also select the emoji by just clicking here, and then it'll pop up for whatever one you want to do to it. Then from here, you click the plus sign, you can create folders, text, you can add videos, you can put links in there and add any images from your phone, and then you don't have to keep them on your phone any longer. And it just makes things really, really simple. So you'll create your board however you want it to be. And if you want to share your board with somebody else, or if you want access to somebody else's board, they're just going to click that little plus sign at the top, enter the email address, and then you're going to get an email that looks like this that says that you've been added to a shared board. When you click get it here, then the board is going to pop up on your app, and it'll have those three little people next to it like mine does for the first 30 days. And so you cannot edit any of the scripts that are in here. It won't allow you to edit because you're only view mode. But one thing that you can do is you can click the three dots, you can select the keys, and you can copy, and then you can paste it into your own board. And then from there, you'll be able to edit and make your own tweaks and adjustments to it. Okay, and so real quick, how are you going to use this is you are going to go into Messenger like you normally would. Actually, I've got this girl right here. Okay. And so I asked her to host a post for me. So I just come in here to the find a host a poster, and I am going to click on that. I'm going to have her do thanks with a background. So it says, thanks so much. Here it is. If you'll just post it on a colored background and let me know when it's up, I'll handle the rest. And then I'm going to have her do a Slimming Gummies host a post. So I just put it there. And if I want to make any edits to it, then I can edit right there in the body of the text, and then I can go ahead and send. And this just makes it so much more simple than just the regular copy paste or using text replacement, because everything you need is just right there. So highly recommend, look through all of the different scripts that you have, create your own, and this is going to save you so much time.